Good morning, boys. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Yes, 1 minute.
Good morning, sir.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning. No, I can hear you. Today I'll discuss the question answer of the chapter sound. Questions and answers. Okay.
Sir, not ready.
Huh? Hello.
Sir, not ready.
You said okay. Be ready then.
Sir, we have to make a PDF and send you all the question answers.
Question answers. Yeah, later on. Later on. After I finish discussing. Then after. Okay. Ready.
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay, I'll start then recording. Already there. Okay. Page number 135. See objective questions A. Number 1, write true or false for each statement. First part, when sound propagates in air, it does not carry energy with it. Sound is a form of energy. When sound travels, it carries energy also. So this statement is false. Don't use chat box for writing rubbish. Now B, 1B. Wave, compression and rear fractions are formed. Yes. In longitudinal wave we have, and in transverse wave we have crest and trough. Now C, the distance from one compression to nearest rear fraction is called wavelength. Answer is no. Distance between two successive compressions or two successive rear fractions is called wavelength. So this is also false. The frequency is measured in seconds. No, the frequency is measured in hertz. Hertz, hertz. Next question is, the quality of a sound depends on the amplitude of wave. No, the quality of sound depends on the wave pattern. Or you can add the loudness of the sound depends on amplitude, loudness. Next one, F, the pitch of sound depends on frequency. This is true. G, decibel is the unit of pitch of a sound. Decibel is the unit of pitch of a sound. No. Decibel is the unit of loudness of sound. Loudness. So this is done. Now fill in the blanks. The time period of a wave is 2 seconds. Its frequency formula is 1 upon time period, 1 upon t. That is 1 upon 2. When you divide, answer will come 0.5. You can write the answer 0.5 hertz or 0.5 per second, s to the power -1. Now, second question, B2B, the pitch of a string instrument is increased by dash tension in the string. Pitch means frequency. Frequency we can increase by increasing the tension in the string, by keeping the string tight, by increasing the tension. You have to write the word increasing. Now see, the pitch of a flute is decreased by dash length of the air column. by increasing the length of the air column. More the length of the air column, less the frequency. Less the length of the air column, more the frequency. So you have to write here increasing. Smaller the membrane, that is the pitch. The membrane is smaller, the pitch will be higher. And if the membrane is large, the pitch will be lower. Okay. Now the next question, if a drum is beaten hard, its loudness increases because amplitude will increase by beating hard. Next one, a tuning fork produces a sound of single frequency, one frequency, fixed frequency. We'll add the single frequency. Now question number 3, match the following. Amplitude, with what will you match? Maximum displacement on either side. A with 3.
Sir, yes, sir. Maximum displacement of
Maximum displacement, very good. Frequency, with what will you match? Frequency formula is 1 upon time
Sir,
period.
one
You will match with that.
time per second. One time period.
Yes. Loudness, you are right. Loudness, with what will you match?
Sir,
Loudness
amplitude.
will match with amplitude because amplitude increases and loudness increases. Pitch, with what will you match? Frequency.
Sir, frequency.
And wave, yeah, waveform, with what will you
The
match?
presence of
Waveform.
other frequency.
Presence of other frequencies will match. Okay. Now, question number 4. Sound cannot travel in. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. A4. 4A, answer is 4. 4B. When sound travels in form of a wave. When sound travels in form of a wave, the particles of medium move from the source to the listener. The particles of medium remain stationary. The particles of medium start vibrating up and down. The particles of medium transfer energy without leaving their mean position. Which answer do you think is right? 4B. Last one. The energy is transferred or transported and the particles remain there moving without leaving their mean position. So 4B, the answer is 4. The safe limit of loudness of audible sound is 0 to 80 dB. 0 to 80 decibel is safe limit. The unit of loudness is, what is the unit of loudness?
Sir,
Often
decibel.
given as centimeter. Decibel, yes. In a piano, pitch is decreased by using thicker string, increasing tension, reducing length of the string, striking it hard. So by using thicker string, if you use thick string, the frequency will be less and the pitch will also be less. The pitch will be decreased. Okay. Now question number 1, a short and long answer question. Number 1. How does sound travel in air? We say sound travels in air in longitudinal, in the form of longitudinal wave. Sound travels in air in the form of longitudinal wave. You just mentioned that. What is a longitudinal wave? You may just skip this part, this question. That you will do in class 9, so that's why it's not done. Number 3 also you can skip. Number 4, define the following terms: amplitude, frequency, time period. I've already taught and it is there in your copy also. I hope that it is there in your copy. Question number 5, open relationship between the time period and frequency. You write F is equal to 1 by T. Name 3 characteristics of musical sound. Then you say pitch, loudness and quality. Next one, which of the following determines the loudness of a sound? The answer will be like amplitude, C, option C. C answer is part C, option C. Number 8, how is loudness related to the amplitude of wave? We say more the amplitude, more the loudness. We'll say that only. If the amplitude of a wave is doubled, what will be the effect on its loudness? We say loudness will increase by 4 times. 2 square you have to write. Amplitude is square. 2 square. That is 4 times. How does the wave pattern of a loud note differ from a soft note? So we say the loud note has higher amplitude of vibration. Draw diagram. You can draw the diagram and show one with the high amplitude and one with the low amplitude. Low amplitude one will be softer sound and high amplitude will be louder sound. Name the unit in which the loudness of sound is expressed. It's a decibel. Why is the loudness of sound heard by a plug wire increase when mounted on a soundboard? Because in the soundboard, the amplitude of vibration of air increases. In the soundboard hollow box, air vibrates with increased amplitude, and so the loudness also increases. What determines the pitch of a sound? It's a frequency. Number 15, name the characteristics of sound related to its frequency, which is pitch. Frequency is related to pitch and pitch is related to frequency. Now number 16, name and define the characteristics which enables one to distinguish two sounds of same loudness but of different frequencies given by the same instrument. Different frequency means different pitch. The name of the characteristics which help you to distinguish the sound of different frequencies, pitch. And then you have to write the definition of pitch. Draw a diagram to show the wave pattern of a high pitch note and a low pitch note. High pitch will have more frequency, I think I have drawn already, and the low pitch will have less frequency. Standing at a distance, how is it possible to detect the filling of a bucket under water tap by hearing the sound? How is it possible? Because the sound which is of the water, which is filling the bucket, will vary in pitch. The pitch of the sound will keep on increasing. As the water level is rising there in the bucket, the pitch of the sound will also increase. The sound will become sharper and sharper. And when the bucket is full, the sound will become the sharpest. Okay. So on the basis of pitch, we will be able to distinguish. The question number 18 answer I gave. The frequency of notes given by flute, guitar and trumpet are respectively 400, 200 and 500 Hz. Which of them has the highest pitch? You see the frequency of which one is the highest? 500 Hz is for trumpet.
Sir, trumpet.
Answer will come trumpet, yes. Now question number 20, you see, show two jars A and B containing water up to different heights, which will produce sound of higher pitch and when air is blown in them, A or B. We say B because in B the length of the air column is less. Water level is higher there, that is length of the air column or length of the air slab inside the hollow space is less. When the length is less, then frequency will be more. So B will have higher pitch. Number 21, two identical guitars are played by two persons to give notes of the same pitch. Will they differ in quality? Give reason for your answer. Same pitch, two identical guitars, same kind of guitar will emit the wave of same type, same pattern. So they will have same pitch. They will not differ in pitch. We learned that. Because quality depends upon the source or the type of source which is originating the sound. Both of them are identical guitars with same kind of guitar, same company guitars. So they will be emitting the sound of same quality. The quality will not differ. Question number 22, they are playing two musical notes of the same pitch and same loudness are played on two different instruments. Their wave patterns are given here. How do they differ in loudness? We say it is same. Pitch, we say same. Quality is different. Because the wave patterns are different there. You can see the wave patterns. Now question number 23, which characteristics of sound makes it possible to recognize a person by his voice without seeing him? Then we say quality of sound. That helps. Now number 24, state the factor that determine the pitch of a note. We say frequency, the loudness of sound, amplitude, the quality of note, wave pattern or wave form, FORM, wave form. Now question number 25, name the characteristics of the sound affected due to change in its amplitude, then you say loudness, waveform, you say quality, frequency, then you say pitch. Question number 26 shows four waves A, B, C, and D. Name the wave which shows a note from a music note. Answer is D. Now, a soft note means the less loudness, which has the least amplitude. I will say A. A shrill note means high pitch, high frequency, which has got the highest frequency here, C. So the answer would be C. How is the pitch of sound in a guitar changed? If a thin wire is used, thin wire will produce the sound of higher pitch, sharper sound. A wire under less tension is used, less tension will have less pitch. So the sound coming out will have less pitch. A thin wire will be producing a sound of higher pitch. Sorry, thin wire gives us sharper sound, and wire under less tension will be having less pitch, less frequency. Now numericals. Two waves of same pitch have amplitude in the ratio 1:3. What will be the ratio of their loudness? Then you have to square the amplitude, the square you do 1:3 whole square. The answer will come 1:9. Pitch will remain the same, so ratio will come 1:1. Two waves having frequency 256 and 512 Hz, but same amplitude. Compare their loudness. This time loudness does not depend on frequency. The loudness ratio will be 1:1, and pitch depends on frequency. Then you will be doing 256 by 512. Cancel it 1/2. That means the answer is 1:2. That would be the answer.
You will not do
I think we have discussed all the.
Sir, you will not do these two questions in the board.
Yeah. Which question to do on the board?
Sir, these numericals.
I should do on the board.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 1. Loudness ratio of the write at L1 by L2 is equal to 1/3 whole square you do amplitude square. Answer will come 1/9. Right answer here 1:9. This is answer of part A. Part B answer will be pitch. Pitch means pitch ratio, just directed at pitch ratio is 1:1. Write the reason, because pitch does not depend on, write the reason, pitch does not depend on amplitude, depend on amplitude. You have to write this. Done. Now numerical number 2. Two wave frequencies are given, compare loudness. Right, the loudness ratio will be same 1:1. Write on the reason. Loudness does not depend on frequency, right? Loudness does not depend on frequency, Loudness does not depend on frequency. And then question says pitch, right? Pitch ratio, pitch depends on frequency. You have to divide that 256 divided by 512, cancel it. You get 1/2. The answer will come 1:2. Loudness is depending upon the square of the amplitude. Square. Directly put the square of the amplitude. That's the amplitude ratio you write and put a square there.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason why when amplitude is doubled, loudness will increase by 4 times. 2 square you will do. 2 square. That means loudness will increase by 4 times. Okay. So with this information, this chapter is over. Okay. And after the Diwali break, we will start the last chapter, that is current electricity, or the electricity part. Okay. There also the chapter is short. It won't take much time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this much we do today. Okay. All right. Okay, be safe and enjoy your holidays, but at the same time study also for your third
Yes,
cup.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, same to you,
Okay.
sir. Happy
Thank you.
Diwali, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you.